Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we are diving headfirst into the high-stakes, incredibly fast-paced world of cybersecurity. If you're a focused learner aiming to become a top-tier security professional, well, you're in the right place. We're going to map out your exact journey to mastering the Certified Ethical Hacker certification. Here's a quick look at our roadmap for today. First, the ethical hacking opportunity. Second, the CEH certification tiers. Third, an essential hacking tool called Nmap. Fourth, some very lucrative career paths. And finally, number 5, your immediate action plan. Let's get right into it. All right, Section 1, the ethical hacking opportunity and the massive demand for skills. You know, there's a saying, today data is more valuable than gold. And honestly, that is completely true. The modern threat landscape has matured so rapidly, it's created a literal gold rush for cybersecurity skills. Companies all over the globe are just desperately searching for professionals to protect their digital systems from these relentless attacks. So, enter the Certified Ethical Hacker, or CEH for short. Offered by the EC Council, this credential is the absolute gold standard in the security domain. Basically, it proves you possess the exact mindset, the technical skills, and the toolkits of malicious hackers. But, and here's the key, you use them completely legally to secure systems rather than break them. Moving right along to Section 2, the CEH certification tiers. This is a multi-tiered journey. To accommodate different professional needs, the CEH actually comes in 2 distinct flavors. On the theoretical side, we have CEH Knowledge. This evaluates the core frameworks, understanding what a vulnerability is conceptually and learning about attack vectors. But bridging that gap to the real world, that's the CEH Practical. This is a rigorous live cloud environment where you actively perform network scans, crack hashes, and literally exploit live machines. It's totally hands-on. Now, achieving CEH Master status, that is the ultimate goal here. And it's really cool because this isn't some separate exam you have to study for. Nope, it's actually an elite designation that's automatically awarded to you once you successfully clear both the knowledge exam and the practical exam. It's a huge deal because it signals to global employers that you can handle high-pressure corporate incidents with both theoretical brilliance and raw execution skills. Let's actually break down the logistics a bit so you know exactly what to expect. The CEH ANSI, which is the American National Standards Institute Accredited Knowledge Exam, features 125 multiple-choice questions over 4 hours. The practical exam, on the other hand, shifts gears entirely. We're talking 20 hands-on challenges over an exhausting 6 hours. And you're going to need to get at least 14 correct solutions to pass that one. Okay, Section 3, an essential hacking tool. We're talking about Nmap and network discovery. So Nmap, which is short for Network Mapper, is this incredibly powerful, free, and open-source utility. Honestly, it is so highly regarded as the industry standard that it's actually been accurately featured in Hollywood movies. You might have spotted it in The Matrix Reloaded. Security professionals, system administrators, and network engineers rely heavily on this thing every single day for executing broad asset inventories and continuous monitoring. What's genuinely fascinating is how it works. By communicating via raw IP packets in some highly ingenious layouts, Nmap rapidly processes the responses to pinpoint active live hosts. It reveals running network services, the precise operating system and build version, and, get this, even the exact state of a target's firewalls. It basically gives you an incredible, comprehensive map of any target's defenses. And the best part? It's just incredibly versatile. While it was natively designed to evaluate these massive corporate subnets with thousands of nodes all at once, it scales down beautifully to audit a single host or just a simple router. Plus, it operates smoothly across all modern architectures, with native packages for Linux, Windows, and macOS. It's the whole shebang. Section 4. Lucrative cybersecurity career paths and the high-income roles waiting for you. Let's talk about the payoff. Because earning this credential genuinely unlocks some exceptional salary potential. For instance, a penetration tester, someone legally hired to launch simulated cyber attacks, can earn an estimated top-end salary of $130,000. A SOC, or Security Operations Center analyst, they pull in up to $110,000 defending against live incidents. And finally, cybersecurity consultants, who bridge the gap to business stakeholders, can make upwards of $150,000. What's absolutely crucial to remember here is that cybersecurity is remarkably resilient to economic downturns. It offers incredible job security. Finally, Section 5, your immediate action plan. It's time to start your journey. Look, to successfully conquer both of these exams without spinning your wheels for months, you need a smart, balanced preparation arsenal. You're going to want to mix excellent free resources like CyberA for building conceptual clarity and TryHackMe for interactive, browser-based hands-on practice. Then you blend those with premium paid resources. The official EC Console Training Kit gives you access to over 200 interactive iLabs, and Udemy practice exams are just fantastic for benchmarking your readiness right before test day. All right, here is your concrete 4-step action plan to beat procrastination once and for all. Step 1, commit to a fixed 3 to 6 month timeline. Put it on the calendar. Step 2, build your lab environment. Spend about 30 minutes daily on TryHackMe or VirtualBox. Step 3, master the theory. You want to be consistently scoring above 85% on those practice exams. And step 4, go practical. Dedicate 4 continuous weeks strictly to pure hacking labs to earn that master status. I really want to leave you with this final thought. Your high-income cybersecurity future, it starts right now. You literally hold the complete structural blueprint to transform your passion into a highly lucrative career. Success in this field strongly favors those who start practicing early and build those hands-on habits. So, I have to ask, what is stopping you from securing your place in the digital elite today? Take action, stay consistent, and go start your journey. Thank you so much for joining me on this explain.